Good morning, student of class 1. Welcome back again to your English language class. So, we have completed our syllabus. So, from today, we will do our revision work. And this revision work is very important. You have to follow the revision work. So, first all of you take out your classwork copy. In the last video, I gave you some fill in the blanks on describing word and I told you to do it by yourself. I hope you have done it. So today, I am going to give you the answers. So fill in the blanks with correct describing word. Number 1, he is a dash boy. You can write here good or tall boy, short boy. He is a good boy. Or you can write he is a tall boy. Or you can write he is a short boy. So this good, tall, short, these all are adjectives. And this good, tall, short describe the noun boy. Okay. Now the next one. Kolkata is a dash city. Kolkata is a big city. Then an apple is dash in color. We all know that apple is red in color. So you have to write here only red. Then there are dash days in a week. In a week there are 7 days. So you have to write here 7. I hope you all are right or your answer is matched with me. Now today's revision work. All of you take out a new fresh page, write at the top revision, then put classwork. Today's date here. Now the question is number 1. Complete these words using the double letters. Double letters you know children, the same letter but twice or 2 times. Double letters like double O, double L or double E. You have to fill these words using these double letters. If you will get this type of question in your question paper, then you have to copy this. You have to copy this. Don't write only double L, double O or double E. If this type of question will come in your paper, first write whatever I will give you, then you will write the answer. Okay, only for this. Now, the number 1, TR dash dash. You have to use double O, either double L or double E. What will be here? TR double E. So, tree. When you will write in your paper, only write TR double E, then you underline E. Okay? Number 2, ST dash dash L. It will be stool. What is the spelling of stool? S-T. So, you have to use double O here. Then, T-A dash dash. T-A double L. Tall. Then number 4, B dash dash. B double E. B. Okay? So, I am telling you again, if this type of question like fill in the blanks or complete this word, you have to copy this. Okay? Now, number 2, question 2. Write C for countable nouns and UC for uncountable nouns. For this type of question, no need to copy the words. Only you put the question mark like question 2, number 1, answer. Water. Water is countable or uncountable? Water is uncountable. So you have to write only UC. No need to copy this word. Only write question 2, Answer 1 is uncountable. Number 2 is shoe. Shoe is countable or uncountable? Shoe is countable. So you have to write only C. So question 2, answer 2 is C. Then number C or 3, rice. Rice is countable or uncountable? Uncountable. So UC. U for un, C for countable, uncountable. Friends, countable or uncountable? Countable. So you have to write C. Okay? You have to copy this in your classwork copy for today's classwork. Okay? Now, question number 3. Give the plurals of. No need to copy the words. Only write question 3, number 1, answer. Number 2, answer. Like this. No need to copy the words. So, let's begin. Give the plurals of. Book is singular or one. Now you have to make it many or plural. So, book, books. B-O-O-K-S, books. 2, box. See, this word is end with X. So, you have to add ES. So, B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Man, mean. The word will be totally changed. Men. Bus. This word is ending with S. So what you have to do? You have to add ES to make it plural. So B-U-S-E-S, buses. Then child. Child, more than one, children. So C-H-I-L-D. See the same spelling. Child, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. Okay? Then table, tables. T-A-B-L-E-S, tables. Hope you understand. Now the next one. Question 4. Underline the nouns in these sentences. If this type of question will come in your question paper, no need to copy the sentence. Only you write the correct noun and underline it, because I am telling you to do underline the nouns. So you have to write the particular nouns and you just underline it. So number 1, I play with a ball. Tell me in this sentence, what is noun? Play is noun? No. Ball is noun? Yes. So, only you have to write like question 4, number 1, ball. Then you underline it. So, ball. Why ball is noun here? Because ball is a name of a thing. So, name of a thing is noun. So, here ball is a noun. Number 2, she is a teacher. In this sentence, what is noun here? Teacher. Teacher is noun because teacher is a name of a person. Teacher is a person. Then, elephant is a big animal. In this sentence, what is noun, children? Animal? No. Animal name is here, elephant. So, underline it, elephant, because elephant is a animal. So, name of a animal, name of a bird, name of a thing and name of a person is called noun. So, here elephant is a noun. And what type of noun? Animal. Then, he is going to the office. He is going to the office. In this sentence, what is noun, children? Office is noun. Now tell me why office is noun? Because office is a name of a place. Hope you understand. So, if this type of question will come, no need to copy the sentence. Only you write the word, and then if I tell you, I ask you to underline it, so underline it. If I ask you to circle it, so you have to circle. Okay? So practice this at home. And stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.